Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make my easy but yet delicious ground beef tacos. So for this I'm using some ground beef, of course. This is 2.5 pounds of ground beef, and I am going to use my homemade taco seasoning. If you guys want to see how I make this, give this video a big thumbs up so that I know that you guys are interested in seeing how I make my taco seasoning from scratch. And I will be using 1.5 cups of water. Now for topping, I will be using some sharp cheddar cheese, and I have some shredded lettuce, and I have some tomatoes from my garden, and I'll be using some olives, black olives, and I made some guacamole. If you guys want to see how I make this video, also comment down below, let me know, or just like this video. And I love using the store-bought taco sauce. I don't know what it is about it, but I just love using this. Of course, if you don't want to buy anything from the store, if you don't want to use the store sauce, you can use you can make some homemade salsa. And you guys know from my last taco video that I love hard shell tacos. And then this is for my kids and husband. This is the soft shell. So please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video for you guys. So let's get cooking, guys. Okay guys, you want to go ahead and turn your stove onto medium high, and I'm going to go ahead and take my ground beef, and we are going to break it apart as we are browning it. Make sure you are definitely breaking it apart, that way you don't have big chunks of ground meat. And my beef is actually 93% lean and 7% fat. So it shouldn't have much fat in it, which is the perfect type of meat to use when you are making tacos, because you don't want any fatty meat at all. So again, I'm going to just brown this and keep breaking it apart so I don't end up with a bunch of chunks. Okay guys, it took me about 10 minutes to brown my meat. And now you want to go ahead and get rid of the extra fat. Again, mine is not too fatty, but I will remove the extra liquid. You can drain it, of course, for the process to go faster, but I'm feeling just a little bit lazy today. This is such an easy back to school night. School is in session in North Dakota, so after school this is like one of those easy meals. Today is Tuesday, so it's Taco Tuesday. I don't have to go to Taco Bell or Taco John. I can give the kids their tacos right from home. And I pack school lunch for my boys, so they can definitely take this to school as well, as if they want to. So now I'm going to go ahead and take 2 tablespoons of my homemade taco seasoning and just mix that with the meat. If you haven't, please go like my Facebook page. Please share that page, you guys, with everybody you know. And also go follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And come snap with me on Snapchat. I will leave the link for those down in the description box for you guys to check out. I'm going to put another ½ tablespoon. So 2 tablespoons and a half of the sauce or the seasoning. So now I'm going to add my water. And mix that in. And now you want to reduce your heat to medium low, and we are going to allow this to simmer for a good 15 to 20 minutes with a cover on top. Okay, it took about 20 minutes for my meat to simmer down to how I like it. There's almost no liquid in here. This is just how I like it. I just like to have a little liquid in there, just so if I want to reheat it, I can reheat it. So I'm going to assemble my tacos. You guys know I like hard shell tacos. So I'm going to take some of the meat and place it right in the center. This is really hot. Place it right in the center, and I'm going to take some of my lettuce, just like this. And the topping is definitely whatever you like for topping, you can put in. And I'm going to put some cheese, and I like tomatoes. So I got some tomatoes in there, and I like olives. So I'm going to put some olives in there as well, and put some guacamole, just like this. This looks so pretty. And I'm going to put in some of my taco sauce. You guys see that? Easy but yet delicious. So now I am about to do a taste test. So it's gonna be crunchy. It's so good. My taco seasoning have smoked paprika on there, and I can totally taste that. That is so good. So now my husband, on the other hand, like soft shell tacos. So I'll show you guys how I make his. And I warm these up in the microwave for 15 seconds. If you have a gas stove, you can warm it up on top of the gas stove. So I'm going to put some lettuce, tomatoes, and some black olives, and some cheese on his. And I'm not sure if he likes guacamole, or I know he likes it, but I'm not sure if he wants guacamole on top of his tacos. And I know he don't care for the taco sauce. So this is pretty much his, and this will do it for this video, guys. You guys requested this video after I made my shrimp taco, so you guys go ahead and check out that video as well. I will leave the link for that down in the description box. But as I said before, this is an easy meal for school night, so hopefully you guys give this taco recipe a try. And if you like it, please let me know. If you made it, tag me on social media. But other than that, this will do it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and please share. And let's get the channel to 50,000 subscribers, guys, so I can give you guys an awesome gift as a reward. I have a nice giveaway I want to give you guys to show you guys my love and appreciation. But like I said, as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.